Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here with another video. In this video, I'm going to unbox Fantasy wireless charger. So let us begin. So in this video, we are going to unbox this Fantasy wireless charger, which is a QI standard version, wireless and limitless. On the box, you guys can see it is written that wireless and limitless charging sign Fantasy wireless charger, QI standard wireless charger. The enterprise model name, product size 10mm into 9.5mm, product weight is 80 gram, which is a light, so it is really a lightweight product. Hook it up, charge it out. Nice way of running, I must have to say. Here are some specs. It is having a 1-year warranty. Micro USB cable and wireless charger is included in the box. On the back we have some specs. Fast charging speed, charge output up to 1 ampere. It is not a fast charging, man. Low temperature, high efficient driver design. What does this thing mean? Safe, built-in over voltage, under voltage, over voltage, short circuit protection. Specifications: 5 volt 2 ampere, 5 volt 1 ampere, charge efficiency 73%, transmission distance 8mm. So now we will just unbox this up. Here we have our wireless charging pad. Beautiful charging pad, its build quality is like Samsung's charging pad. It is a transparent one. Here we have some accessories which include the micro USB cable, the wireless charging pad, and a user manual which no one will read. So this is my first ever wireless charger. I will not tell a lie, I have never purchased a charger from Samsung or any other brand like OnePlus. This is my first ever pad. So here I have my Mi 4A. I will just open this charging pad and install it on my phone. Like my phone, sorry for the interruption. Now I will just install it on my phone. It is a universal pad, wireless charger receiver, 5 volt 1000 milliamp hour pad. It is actually a Chinese product, so I don't know about the efficiency, how fast it will charge, and will it damage to my phone or not. I am a little bit scared about overheating. So the charger or the pad is installed right now. It looks weird while installing it on a back cover, but I think that the phones whose battery can come out, it will be easier for that. So I will just right now install it. I have installed it. Now I'll just go and charge up my phone with this thing. So right now I have my pad and the charger is installed on the switchboard. So as you guys can see, keeping the phone up. I don't think that it's charging right now. Don't know why it is not charging my phone. Yes, now it has started to charge. So my phone is giving about 51 minutes until full charge, which I think that this is not a fast charger, because the original charger of my phone just gives only 20 minutes from 76% to 100% charge. So I don't know about the efficiency, but I'll make sure that I'll leave that in the description, that how quick or how efficient is this charger. I hope you guys have liked my video. If you have liked this video, do share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below that how do you like the video. Allah Hafiz and take care.